it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at IPC Apex and I've been joined today by Andrei from Europlacer. How are you?
Hey Claire, I'm good. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you. We were in Germany last time we met up.
We were indeed, absolutely.
Yeah.
The only difference is the weather is much better here.
It's a little bit warmer for sure.
Absolutely.
It was quite chilly. It's good to see you too.
Absolutely.
So when we met up last year, you were telling me about sort of new products that you had on the show. I'm guessing obviously you're still pushing those, but what are your aims at the event and how are you seeing the opportunities here?
Right, so great event by the way, fantastic organizers. We're really honing into what we call visibility of the production, machine uptime and ease of use. These are the main things that we're looking at right now, generally speaking. So visibility is the new product we have, which is called the Epicenter, that literally extracts live data from the machine and gives the operator, as well as the factory management, a direct visibility on costs, rejects, and they're able to make decisions quicker in terms of productivity and efficiencies.
Okay, so ultimately then that is an upgrade of the existing sort of product line, or is it?
It is.
Okay.
It is, yes. So what we've done is we've pivoted from a hardware focus to a software focus, where the value is in the data that we obtain. We've always said at Europlacer, Europlacer is known in the marketplace for actually gathering a lot of data, statistical data and process data, and we had previous versions of software called Promon, which we're now migrating into Epicenter, which is the new product. But the whole idea is extracting the data, making it visible to achieve the ultimate goal of maximizing machine uptime.
Yeah, of course.
That's really the idea here. So we're seeing a lot of benefits for customers already, predominantly when you're talking about rejects, when you're talking about product changeovers. The Epicenter gives you that visibility of how effective and efficient you're running your line, which we didn't have before. And the fact that it's web-based, you can actually have that visibility anywhere in the facility or indeed remote from the facility.
Okay.
It's been a fantastic product for us. The operators love it because they know exactly where to focus, but it also gives them the freedom to do other things because they know that we're tracking and we're bringing things up before they happen.
Okay, and that was actually going to be my next question. You know, how are the operators finding it? How is it for the human side of the business?
Right. It's interesting because it's such a new product, and when you bring that visibility live to the operators, the overwhelming reaction is, oh my God, now I know what I'm doing. I know what to focus on.
Yeah.
I'm doing it right the first time, so I don't have to come back and waste time doing other things. So it's been very well received. Equally important by the management of the companies, very well received because they get the visibility.
Yeah.
They can go back in time and trace that visibility and also report to their customers. They say, look, this is how I ran the line, efficiencies, and we can actually meet your lead time. So it's really fantastic. It also adds an element of cost management.
Okay.
So the system has the capability to track your actual costs in real time. You know at any moment in time how many dollars of components you put on a board, which is fantastic.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it's been a great success so far.
Yeah. And cost saving is quite a key thing right now in the world generally, but particularly in the manufacturing sector.
It is, you're spot on. The other thing that we're focusing right now is the building on Europlacer's legacy of a flexible architecture. Again, I repeat myself, the machine uptime is critical. And the way we design our operating system in the machine is that you don't need more than one operator to run the whole line. And in some cases we have clients that operate 2 or 3 lines with one operator, which is great because the human factor, as we all know, it's probably one of the most expensive in a production environment. And if we can help our clients deploy or redeploy these headcounts to other parts of the facility, that's exactly what we're doing. And it's been an amazing success for us.
That's fantastic news, that's great. So during the show, what are you, obviously apart from the Epicenter, what else are you showing on the booth? What else are you going to be highlighting?
Right, so we have the new version of the operating system, which is an upgrade to the previous one that pushes the boundaries of what we call multi-job optimization. I'm sorry I'm getting into technical things here, but it enables our customers, for example, to throw at the machine 10 or 20 different jobs.
Okay.
The machines would instantly optimize them and make sure that the machine is run at the highest efficiency with less downtime. That's another thing that we're showcasing here as well. And on top of that, the new printer that you and I talked about this last year at Electronica. This is also a great success with the single pass screen on the screen printer. it's fantastic, a great success. Again, that reduces the time for the operators. So we're focusing on efficiencies, really.
Yeah,
That's what
yeah.
it comes back to.
But that's great, and then, it's important, as you say, and that's going to help the decision process in the purchasing of these products.
We hope so. I mean, everybody here it's got the same challenges as we do. Yeah, the raw materials are getting more expensive, lead times are increasing. So everybody focuses on efficiencies and getting the most out of their equipment. So that's really what we're focusing on.
Yeah, great
Serving
stuff.
them.
Great. Well, I wish you all the best. I hope the show's really successful for you.
Thank you so much.
And we
Really
look
appreciate
forward to catching up somewhere around the world, I guess,
We certainly
later in
will.
the year.
Absolutely.
Thanks,
Thank you so
Andrei.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.